Okay, here's the book. Where's the ant? Where's the ant? Turo mo yung ant. Yan. At asan yung horse? Horse. Yan. Asan yung cow? Cow. Turo mo yung cow. Yan. Asan yung fish? Ikot ang mata. Asan yung boy? Asan yung duck? Asan yung egg?
Egg.
Yung egg.
Wow.
Asan yung girl?
Yung girl na lang, yung girl.
Asan yung girl? Turo mo yung girl. Girl. Asan yung girl?
Yung baby girl.
Baby girl, asan? Turo mo. Girl. Turo mo. Yan.
Yay! Girl!
Ano man?
Ay, meron pa.
Meron pa. Ayun pa. Where's the ice? Asan yung ice? Turo mo yung ice. Yan.
Wow! Galing!
Asan yung moon?
Moon!
Asan yung orange?
Orange!
Asan yung parrot? Asan yung parrot? Turo mo yung parrot. Asan yung parrot? Asan parrot? Jam yan eh, jam. Yung parrot, ayun yung parrot oh. Parrotan. Ang nut, asan yung nut? Turo mo yung nut. Yan.
Very good.
Asan yung king? Yan.
Yay!
Yung lip.
Leaf. Wow!
Yung jam. Asan yung jam? Yeah.
Yay! Very good. Galing talaga. He's only 1.5 years old. Galing ka. Extra din, Mami.
Ayun ba tayo na play?
Play na natin.